Alright, y'all, what's going on? Y'all can see I got the little light on I got the glare on my face and all that. It's all good. But been shooting some stuff. Got my people Terry over here with me. What it do? It's goofball, man. Y'all gotta go check her video out. We did. I helped her out with a video collab. But she over here. We about to go check out the big rim build. She about to see it. What, you ready to check this car out?
Yeah, let's go.
So we about to check the car out. And I'm gonna show her the motor and stuff while she over here, cause like I said, she is into cars and all of that stuff. So y'all be seeing her in the vlog. Hey, you gonna pull up and help me out sometime?
Yeah.
You gonna get your hands dirty?
Get my hands dirty. I ain't got no problem.
Alright, okay. Y'all heard what she said now, so drop in the comments now.
I know how to change brakes, just to let you know.
Brake, what about oil?
I can change some oil.
You can change oil too?
Mm-hmm. It's been a long time though.
Brakes, oil, all that. So look, I'm gonna check in with y'all in the clip. We're finna go over here and check out the motor, then we're gonna go check out the car and all of that. And we got some video coming for y'all, so just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so look, y'all be asking about the motor. This is where it's at. I showed it in a other video, but it's still sitting in the same spot. He actually putting this car together first. This is first cousin car, so he in front of me. So he getting him put together, his motor over there finished. But I think he said he's gonna come here tonight. He's gonna put the bottom end together. We got Terry.
What?
You know what you looking at?
I'm looking at the bottom half of a motor.
Oh look. Oh, hold on, we finna do a pop quiz. You know what that part is right here?
Where?
Right here.
That's the things that turn the gaskets. That's the only thing I know. I don't know the name.
Wait. Hold on, wait a minute.
That's the shaft down there. Shit.
Hold on, I'm laughing for real, y'all. This ain't even a joke right now, for real. So this right here. Hold on. Let me get myself together. I gotta get myself together for real. I'm keeping all this in here too, cause I'm laughing for real though, y'all. I'm serious. But
shit, this
right here is the thing that turned the gaskets.
Yeah, the thing that turned the gaskets.
It turned the gaskets. All right.
You know.
Oh my God! Wait a minute. Okay. All right. Okay. Look. You know what? These. What are these?
Those things that go up and down, right?
Oh, okay.
I don't know the names of them, so y'all, hey, just laugh with me.
Okay, we're done. Well, all right. Hold on, one more question. Mm-hmm. This entire what is
block, right?
All right. Okay. All right. She got that right. You got a point right there. So yes.
That's the inside of the motor. Hey, kitty.
It's a block. Okay, she got that right. So, man, boy, hey, y'all just know. Put in the comments, that's the thing that turned the gaskets. We're going to tell her the proper term
exactly
at a later date, but this is what turned the gaskets. Oh, boy. All right, look. Golly. Well,
I know that's the transmission. Shoot.
Huh?
Yeah, I know that's the transmission.
Okay, you got that. She got that right. It's trans. I got you. Hold on. This gonna be called Pop Quiz Terry. So,
exactly.
Lady Tank.
What is that?
Yo, what is this?
That's the part that go on top of a motor, right?
Yo, we know that, but
exactly.
but what is it? What is it called though? Yeah, over there.
It goes on top of that. That's what it's called. Give me a book. I'll learn it for you.
All right, look, man. We about to slide out here and we gonna slide out here and go check out the car, y'all. All right, y'all. So we back here with the car. Terry.
Yeah.
Tell these people what you just said.
I said, what you gonna call them? The Green Lantern?
The Green Lantern. I don't have a name for the car either yet. So what y'all think? Put in the comments. Should we run with Terry's name, the Green Lantern? I think not, but
Ninja Turtle. Which one?
Man, hey, look, we taking the camera off. The Ninja Turtle. Well, yeah, y'all, this is it. We just what you think about the car? I know you're a Fox body. You're a Fox body person.
It reminds me of home.
It's a budget build, though. I mean,
it definitely is.
It's not. We're not trying to make it perfect. Trying to do it for people that can't afford to get new paint job and all of that.
You can call him Donatello and just put a purple stripe on him.
She got jokes. Donatello. Oh, Donatello. But yeah, y'all, look, She having back spasms.
Right.
So
Don't laugh at how I'm walking. I'm walking like Fred Sanford.
Cause we were gonna get some rim action.
Little bit.
Comedian. Hey, look, when we get this done, you gonna do a ride reaction in this car when we get this done.
Yes.
We're gonna be on the 8s and everything, y'all. So comment below how y'all think she gonna react to this. I know it's not gonna be fast as John John, but we gonna. She said she gonna go down the track too.
Yep.
You gonna ride in the Camaro down the track?
I am.
All right.
And I'm probably gonna turn really pale.
Hey, look, while we on camera, what's been your favorite comment on that video?
It's the one that's still trying to give away his son to me.
Somebody said, "Oh yeah," somebody tried to set her up. Hey, look,
Son,
did
you single?
Did you see the comment where somebody said you probably left a protein pellet?
No.
Somebody said you probably left a protein pellet on the seat.
Oh, now I'm a gerbil? Dang.
Hey, y'all.
Bodybuilding gerbil.
Oh man. Hey, look, y'all gotta go check her video out too. That I collab with her on. It's really her video. I'm just being an interviewer, but
Right.
y'all gotta check her video out talking about well, I ain't gonna tell you. Y'all just gotta go check it out. It's definitely funny. So
Yep. When I put it up there, it'll be up.
I hope it's up there at the time I'm putting this up there. So I don't know.
When you put this up there.
Tomorrow.
Oh.
whatever day tomorrow is. I hope it's already up there, but
Shoot.
I'm gonna make sure you gotta get that video up there.
Yeah.
But
I'll get it up there.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be more to come. Cause y'all said y'all want to see her in more of the videos. She cool, they my people. So y'all gonna see her in more videos. I probably be on her channel doing stuff, whatever. Ain't no telling. And I don't know.
Right.
I don't know,
Gonna
but
have me come out here and work on some cars.
you gonna get your hands dirty.
I get my hands dirty.
All right. She said she gonna come out and help turn some wrenches. So we're gonna get on the videos and all that. But before we go, let me look. What this right here?
That's a grill.
Oh, okay. Okay, so look, you know the body panels and all that. It's just the engine.
It's the engine. It's what's inside the
All right,
hood.
I'm gonna take one more thing. Simple. What's this right here?
Lug nut.
All right, okay. I'm trying to now. Okay. All right, so look.
That's a door handle. That's a mirror. That's a tire, y'all. It's rusty.
Okay. Man, I don't have one out here, but
What? See, he
I
trying
don't-
to do me in, y'all.
I don't have one out here. But I want to show you. I put this picture up on my Facebook page. It went crazy. I put up women only. Only women could answer. Man, so many women got it wrong.
What was it?
I'm gonna show you. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna pop the hood on Denali, and we're gonna see. I got to. It was a multiple choice, and I asked. I was like, let's see, where is it?
What, an oil stick?
No, not the oil stick. Okay, hold on, let me lighten it up. That right there, what's that?
Where?
Right here.
Ain't that the starter?
Oh, she got it wrong.
Oh, that's the transmission belt.
Right here.
Wait, this or this?
Nah, the piece, this right here, this piece, yeah.
That's the thing that turned the transmission belt. It's connected to the transmission belt.
Okay.
No, the starter is like down below, right?
Yeah, the starter below. Okay, so this the thing that turns the transmission belt.
Yeah, it's part of the transmission.
Okay, alright. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Nah, it's an alternator though.
Okay.
It's the alternator.
I know that's the thing that be tripping on a lot of people's cars is
Yeah, them
alternator went out.
Yeah, them alternators go
It
out.
might be your starter. It'll be your battery.
Alright. Man, hey, I'm telling y'all, man, y'all gotta follow Terry channel, man, and her Instagram, and she a trip. Cool as hell, so.
I'll show y'all a lot more personality. I'm an introvert.
Yeah, they seeing it now, cause you that's the thing that turned the transmission.
That's the thing that turned the transmission belt.
In the
This a headlight.
that's headlight.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it connect to the high beams too. Just
Look,
let you know.
right. What kind of light? What
That's
kind
a fog light, y'all.
Okay. she knows some stuff. But what take the cake is that the gasket turner up there.
Yeah.
That take the cake.
That's the thing to turn the gasket.
The gasket turner. So look, man. Hey man, look. We had video planned, but on serious note, I want to get her in the video. We had some stuff planned we were gonna do to the budget bill, but like I said, she had back spasms for real right now. So
Yeah, he wanted me to be She-Hulk today.
huh?
He wanted me to be She-Hulk today.
We'll catch that another day. But look, we gotta do that thing for your channel too, though. Look, she got some coming for her channel that will incorporate cars. It's gonna be unique. Never been done on YouTube, so y'all gonna want to check that out when she feeling better.
Exactly.
So, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's short. I just want to show y'all where the motor and stuff was at. Look,
don't
it's
get
about to
that.
go to the ground. But I want to show y'all where the motor, what's going on with the motor car. He is about to put the bottom end together probably tonight, and I think he gonna film it for his channel. And let me show y'all this. I gotta show y'all this for real.
Oh shit! Sorry, y'all.
Let me get this part out here. I gotta show y'all this, man. This really why I turned the camera on too. Hold on, let me see. I gotta find it. All right. This junk made me so mad. I was ready to throw it, man. I was ready to throw this thing across the yard. All right, y'all know my situation with these tires. I'm supposed to switch these tires over to the 9C1 rims right here. But y'all know I got the spline drive lug nuts on there, so I got this from Amazon. Nah, it actually fit. It fit, but it don't fit. I got 5 spline. Let me see. Y'all see it right there? These are 5 spline. You can buy the ones at the parts store, they 6 spline. So I bought this. This is a 5 spline. It's not deep enough to catch the spline, so it's too shallow of a socket. I know. So I'm still stuck. I'm gonna have to just do it the bootleg way and rip them off of there. Cause I know how to get them off. I was just trying to do it the right way, but I'm gonna get them off of there and we're gonna get the tires changed. Now you wanna come help me change tires?
Yeah, I'll help you change some tires.
All right. Look, so I'm gonna get them sockets out of there, and then maybe we'll get Terry on that vlog or whatever, and we'll see how she get down. She says she know about cars, she know about the gasket turners and all that, but it's all good. And but y'all stay tuned in, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was just something to give y'all some entertainment. And make sure you go check out Terry's channel. It's on the screen. Lady Tank on YouTube. Let's get our subscribers up to 500. Shout out to everybody that. Hey, you wanna tell everybody how you appreciate them and everything?
Yeah, I really appreciate y'all. Y'all been showing me a lot of love, like for real.
Yeah, on a serious note, for real. And I appreciate y'all too, cause she solid. She really solid. Y'all know I don't put anybody on camera, and I'm definitely not about to tell y'all to just
Hey, guess what, y'all?
follow anybody.
I see a horseshoe, and we all got good luck now. See that? 2020. Good luck.
Yeah, she's something else, man. But yeah, it's more to come, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Before this one too, y'all see I had all my boys in there. We just had a good day. And it's gonna be more to come. 2020 gonna be a big year. Everybody doing their thing. I appreciate y'all big time, man. Y'all most loyal audience ever. So appreciate everybody. Just end this video.